win some money.
BJ.
We're gonna win some money for this one. I'm telling you.
Going after a pole.
Don't get stuck. I won't be able to get you.
The handle's on this side.
Away we go. There's the pole right there.
You got it?
Yeah.
That is the pole.
One in a million shot of getting the damn pole back. BJ.
You gonna be able to get out?
No.